Alright, so Warren is needing a haircut. I'll give you a little walk around. So we're gonna try that. First time I have done it. He is officially 11 months old today. He likes to grab everything, so this may not go well. It might take a while. We'll see. So here's his hair right now. I'm gonna actually turn on the light in here, so hopefully we can see it better. So pretty long on top. You see, he's gonna let us look, and in the back, he's got a little crazy hair going right back here. So we're gonna try that. Okay, so these are the 3 tools I'm gonna start with: a comb, a little hair, kind of like duster brush to get any hair off of him, and then sharp sewing scissors. Parker, please stop. I do have like a kid's, I don't know, cape or whatever, but I feel like he's just gonna battle and fight that the whole time, which might be a good distraction. We're gonna go without it at first, see what we need to do. And you can see I just put him in his high chair. That seems to work pretty well. I don't think I'm going to wet his hair. I don't know, maybe. Should we wet your hair? That might work better. It's already looking. What are you doing, Mom? Okay, we're gonna get a spray bottle. Okay, so what I use for a spray bottle is an old Windex sprayer. It does the best spray. I put warm water in it. It's very cleaned out. It's been water for a long time. And I put warm water in it, so hopefully it doesn't shock him too much. Who's that? Well, now it's like not misty. Oh, there we go. Here, it's okay. Yeah, we can get your hair wet. Yeah. Is that wet? Am I spraying you? You're not sure about that. Yeah, comb it through. What is Mama doing? Oh, what is she doing? Comb it through your hair. Get all your hair wet. I don't have a whole lot, but it's getting long. Yeah, it's getting long. Alrighty. Now I feel like you can really see it sticking out. Yeah, we're gonna make it stick out so I can cut it. Oh yeah, you're gonna have your hands all over it. Oh, what are you thinking? Oh, that's pretty long in the front. Oh, it's okay. We're really good stuff at breakfast. It's not toys to play with. Take some. Oh, we're good. Parker, stop touching that, or I'm gonna turn off the TV. Here, just leave it on. Look at it this way. Are we done? Yeah? Okay. That's all.